हेलो बच्चों, सो लेट्स रीड दिस क्वेश्चन. मैच द कॉलम्स, कॉलम 1 एंड कॉलम 2. कॉलम 1 में हमें दिया हुआ है बटर, ह्यूमिस्टोन, मिल्क, पेंट्स. एंड कॉलम 2 में dispersion of liquid in liquid, dispersion of solid in liquid, dispersion of gas in solid, and dispersion of liquid in solid. And these are the options that have been given to us. Now let us talk about the key concept of the question. Key concept of this question will be colloids, or we can say colloidal solution, are mixtures in which microscopically dispersed insoluble particles of one substance are suspended in another substance. The size of the suspended particles in a colloid can range from 1 to 1000 nanometers, and this value when converted to meters is equals to 10 to the power minus 9 meters. Now let us talk about the question that has been given to us. हम पहले देखना है dispersed phase, dispersed medium, and the type of colloid formed. And then we will look at its examples. Now हमें पहले दे रखा है liquid in liquid, तो हमारा dispersed phase and dispersed medium both are liquids. Liquid, liquid. The type of colloid that will form is emulsion. And emulsion का हमारा example हो गया milk. So if we want to describe the dispersion, we will do it later. We will describe milk as a type of colloid. Now let us talk about the second option that has been given to us, dispersion of solid in liquid. So हमारा यहाँ पे dispersed phase हो गया solid, dispersion medium हो गया हमारा यहाँ पे liquid. So solid in liquid forms a sol, and we know इसका example है paint. Now further moving on, हमारा है gas in solid. So gas in solid हमारा हो गया solid sol. And if we look into the example of solid sol, it is pumice stone. Pumice stone. Now if we look into the last option, हमें दे रखा है dispersion of liquid in solid. Now let us talk about liquid in solid. Liquid in solid. तो अगर हम liquid in solid की बात करें तो it forms a gel, and gel का हमारा example हो गया, I am writing it over here, butter is the example of liquid in solid. Now let us talk about it individually. तो हमारा जो milk होता है, milk is a dispersion in which dispersion of liquid. Milk is a dispersion of liquid in which fats and proteins are dissolved. So हमारा milk will match with gas sorry, milk with batch and emulsion, liquid and liquid. So let us write A, B, C and D. तो हमारा milk is option number C. C will match with dispersion of liquid in a liquid is emulsion and milk will match in that. तो हमारा C हो गया P के साथ match. Now let us talk about solid and liquid dispersion. Solid and liquid dispersion is our paint. You can say paint is an example of solid in liquid. And these colloidal solutions are known as sols. These colloids are known as sols. Now let us talk about the other options. तो हम एक बार मैच कर देते हैं. हमारा solid in liquid is Q and paint is D. तो हमारा Q will match with D. Now let us talk about the other option. हमें को दे रखा है next gas in solid. Gas and solid में हमने बात की it forms solid sol and example of it is pumice stone. So pumice stone is an example of dispersion of gas in solid in which gas bubbles are pierced within solid particles. So our pumice stone matches with gas in solid. Pumice stone हमारा option number B है and gas in solid is R. So our match B matches with R. And let us talk about liquid in solid. Liquid in solid forms a colloid known as gel and butter is an example of it. Butter is an example of liquid in solid colloid. Example of it. So let us match the options. हमारा A will match with liquid in solid which is S. तो हमारा code बना SRPQ. SRPQ. Option number B will be the right answer to the question. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.